So what's up, you guys? So we just got to the Rosen Hotel. We're going to the hair show. We just parked our cars, so we're gonna walk up to the convention center right now. So follow me, let's go. So the premier hair show in Orlando, once a year. We're back. We've been coming every single year for the past more than 12 years. Super busy week this week at the Salon. Had our class on Monday at the Melbourne School of Academy. We had our big meeting, salon meeting yesterday. Now we're at the hair show. And we're gonna check out some of the fashion shows they have. We got all the vendors here, big name companies. We're gonna check out all those products that they're offering, some education. That'll cut it perfectly spot to spot. You can even flip it upside down and use that curve blade to slide.
Sometimes I'll mix wefts and tape. Like for her, I have wefts and tape in her hair. So like I have hair, and you can tone them, right? And then I have the tape right up top. And then you can't always bring the tape as high as you need them to, or I mean the wefts, right? And you go a little higher with your tape because they're rooted, non-rooted balayage. Yeah.
It's so nice to see people, even if you just see an after face.
Here with my mom.
We're all excited to learn new things, to get inspired again. I'm ready to just be inspired.
We're gonna get out of here for the rest of the day. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.